Hello guys, this is Mahita. Welcome to Mahita Smart Education. Today in this video, we are going to learn about Bureau of Civil Aviation Security Department, its functions, recruitment process, etc. Many of you don't know about this department, right? So today I'm here to explain you about this department in a simple and easy way. Okay, let's start our video. Before knowing the meaning of Civil Aviation Security Department, we have to learn about what is aviation. Aviation is the activities which are surrounded by the mechanical flight and the aircraft. For example, if an aeroplane traveling, then what are the activities which are surrounded by this aeroplane will be considered by this department. Okay, and what is civil aviation security or what is civil aviation? Civil means common people, right, which are non military people or non government officials, and they are common people. So civil aviation security stand for providing security to the common people who are traveling through aeroplanes or airways. This is the main motto of this department. And civil aviation is one of two major categories of flying, representing all non military aviation, both private and commercial. And most of the countries in the world are members of the International Civil Aviation Organization and work together to establish common standards and recommended practices for civil aviation through that agency. And where is it located? It is located in Delhi, and the headquarter is located in Delhi. Okay, and why do we need civil aviation security? And we doesn't recognize the need of civil aviation security before 1976, but after 1976 September 10, we required the need of civil aviation security because the Indian Airlines plane Boeing 737 was hijacked from Palam Airport, Delhi by a group of 6 terrorists from Kashmir, which creates the need for this department. So, let us look into the history behind this department. The Bureau of Civil Aviation Security was initially set up as a cell in the Directorate General of Civil Aviation in January 1978 on the recommendation of Pandey Committee constituted in the wake of the hijack of the Indian Airlines flight on 10th September 1976. The role of the cell was to coordinate, monitor, inspect, and train personnel in civil aviation security matters. The BCAS was reorganized into an independent department on 1st April 1987. On 1st April 1987, it is reorganized into independent department under the Ministry of Civil Aviation as a sequel to Kanishk tragedy in June 1985. And the main responsibilities of BCAS are lay down standards and measures in respective of security of civil flights at international and domestic airports in India. And the functions of this department are laying down the aviation security standards in accordance with Annex 17 to Chicago Convention of ICAO for airport operators, airlines operators, etc. And monitoring and the implementations of security rules and ensure that the persons implementing security controls are appropriately trained and possess all competencies required to perform their duties. And planning and coordination of aviation security matters, etc., are the functions of this department. And if we see the structure of the organization, and the head of the department will be Director General. Under Director General, there are Joint Director Generals, and after that, ADs and ASOs, etc. And this is the structure of the organization. And Joint Director Generals are depending on the policy division, administrative division, quality control division, and technical division, etc. Based on that. And Director General, before 2016, the head of the department will be Commissioner, but after 2016, the head of the department will be Director General. Okay, and let us see here from 1987 to 2016, the head of the department will be Commissioner, and after that, from 2016 onwards, a Director General is appointed as the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. And Odisha Kedar IAS officer became the first woman Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security Department. And she is Usha Pade. She is the first woman Director General of Civil Aviation Security Department and third IAS officer of this department. And Usha Pade, Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Civil Aviation, has been given additional charge as a Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. And she is the first woman and third IAS officer to have been appointed to this post. And as you see the structure of the department, there are various job vacancies are also there. So the recruitment process will be, the recruitment application form and notification will be available on the official website, and the recruitment process starts every year, once a year, and candidates should have completed the bachelor's degree from recognized university, and candidates should have attained the prescribed age limit. BCAS India will recruit the candidates on the basis of written test or interview, and the application received after the scheduled date or incomplete application will not be accepted. Hope you learned about this department, and thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video and do share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.